so for our chicken nugget parm, you only need 3 ingredients: nuggets, marinara, and cheese. Let's get started. First, we're going to bake off our chicken nuggets. Do that according to the package directions. All right, in their nice hot oven. Once your chicken nuggets are baked, you're going to top with your favorite marinara. I like the burrito. If you're not making your own, you got to have a good standby in your cabinet. Finally, top with cheese. Now, for this, it's important what kind you use. And we're using the non-smoked provolone slices, same that you would use for a good sandwich or a burger. And back into the oven to heat through the marinara sauce and bubble that cheese. Okay guys, it is done. Now, serve this with your favorite pasta, right? Pretty tasty. You guys give this a try if you're feeling frisky, okay? And make sure you leave me a comment on that. And don't forget to subscribe. That really helps us out, and we appreciate you guys' support. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.